Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Sephora Play unbagging for the month of January. Disclaimer, I'm sick at the moment, so if my voice is weird, that's why. But yeah, I got mine super late this month. It was mailed out on the 14th and I just got it today on the 28th. So that's really annoying. It usually doesn't take that long to get to me. I don't know what the heck happened. Here's the bag. The theme for this month looks like, I was gonna say astrology, like Australia? Astrology. That's what we're looking for. Still not loving these bags. I just honestly throw them away because, I mean, what am I gonna do with these bags? This is from Sunday Riley. This is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It is a clarifying formula that improves the appearance of dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. Ooh, mama needs this. Next we have something from Belief. This is the Aqua Balm Sleeping Mask. A replenishing mask that hydrates and revives dry, dull skin while you sleep. Okay, next thing we have is from Beauty Blender. This is their Solid Pro. It is a charcoal infused soap that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. Oh, you can use it on like brushes too? I thought it was just for the Beauty Blender, but I guess not. This Drunk Elephant. This is the Layla Retro Whipped Cream. It's a rich whipped moisturizer that nurtures dry, dull skin and delivers a dose of hydration. I've gotten a lot of skincare products. 3 skincare products this month. Something from Bite. This is the Matte Cream Lip Crayon in the color Glace. A high pigment lip crayon in a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. I love Bite Beauty lip products. They're amazing. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's really pretty color. And this month's bonus item is Miraggio Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. I'm assuming this is a shampoo and conditioner. A hydrating shampoo and conditioner set that nurtures. So we got a lot of nurturing going on this month. It says it has with botanical oils and rich butters for luxurious, healthy looking hair. So that's that. Okay, so the bag this month is all right. I mean, I got a lot of skincare products and I don't know how I feel about that. Like this Good Genes skincare product. I am excited to try this though, this whipped moisturizer from My Drunk Elephant, and I'm excited to try the sleeping mask, I guess, but I don't know, I wish there were more makeup products in here. Like, I don't know. I mean, this guy I'll try out, and then, oh, I'm excited about the lip crayon, and the shampoo and conditioner sample right here I'll probably never use because I never use them because I have too much hair for samples. So, I mean, this bag was just kind of like, meh, okay, nothing too crazy. If you guys are interested in signing up for Sephora Play, I'll have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.